Those have learned this already, bonding, diamond and graphite. Especially my Sec 4. Do we need to memorize the structure? Do we need to draw? Okay. Do we need to draw? Do we need to memorize this? No. Even IP program? No. But I want you to know how to draw. Because you know why? You're supposed to write this all out. If you know how to draw it out, you sure can read it out. Describe Sean Chua. Can describe now? Confirm can. You don't even know how I look, how to describe Sean Chua. Okay? I ask you to talk about 10 things about me, you immediately got 10 bullet points. Agree? That's how we learn chemistry. Ready, everyone? Appreciate that it has this shape. It's called tetrahedral. What is tetrahedral? Those that can, everyone, all right? Although it's a different color, these I use it for my Sec 4 and my G2. All right, this is a shape called tetrahedral. All right, so one central one has 1, 2, 3, 4 that is angled at 109.5 degrees to each other. So if you put it on a flat, all right, it's like what we call pyramid, something like that. Yes, this is the core of the pyramid, the middle. All right, so this is called tetrahedral shape. So it grows, so it becomes a three-dimensional structure or network. All right, so this is what we have. Okay, so the aim is very simple. Take one carbon, color it. Ask yourself, what about this carbon? This carbon is linked to 4 more carbon. How are linked? By covalent bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from there, it keeps linking that way. So here we go. Each carbon atom is covalently bonded to 4 other carbon atoms in that kind of structure that I told you, tetrahedral. And the covalent bonds we already learned earlier on is very, very strong. Yes, using the water molecule example. It exists obviously throughout. All the lines are basically this, right? The whole molecule. And therefore gives you a giant structure. So it has what we call a giant structure. Right? Big, damn big. The answer is called infinite. How many atoms are there in diamond? Don't know. A lot. It's called infinite or a lot. Diamond is known as the strongest substances in the whole world. Why? This is your first question. Diamonds are very strong and hard. It's the strongest, in fact. Stronger than your metal, than your steel. Why? Because, again, keywords pairing, there is a large amount of energy that's required to deal with the strong covalent bonds. And not just one covalent bond, but many, as represented by the giant structure. Can see? Keyword pairing. Again, we use the term, if you're asked to explain, break, because of the word bonds, which I taught you an hour ago. Okay, so this is the first one. Number 2, I need you to appreciate that I'm running on colors. The diamond do not conduct electricity. Some people ask me how you know. Then I say, without explanation, I think that makes sense. What? Why? Because your parents, your mom, your sister, maybe your dad, or even yourself has a diamond. Got thunderstorm, you go wear out or not? You go check got thunder or not? You wear out, right? Touch wood, got die or not? Never lah. Got electrocuted or not? Never lah. Why it doesn't conduct electricity? Because if you look at the carbon, a carbon is group what? Group 14. It has how many valence electron? 4 valence electrons. Right? So each carbon has 4 valence electrons. All of them are used for covalent bonding. Anyone that's left behind? No. Therefore, there is no mobile what? Electron, not ions. Remember, covalent molecule got no ions. And I will send this recording on this date and this time that I told you before. There's no such thing as careless mistake. Don't give excuses. All right? It's either you know or you don't know. All right? No mobile ions. It's wrong, obviously. You went and copy as I speak, yeah? This is what? No mobile electrons. The electrons are all used up. So none of them there to charge carrier. So no mobile charge carrier. I don't use this term, but the new textbook have. We just play safe because it's not important to me. But anyway, the important is the no mobile electrons. So diamond, ladies and gentlemen, they are very strong and hard. They are non-conductor. Know how to explain? The answer is all here. Keywords all there. Come out, whack, get your full marks. All right, be careful of the words you use. Yes, not anyhow write your English. Keywords pairing. Okay. There's a third one I want you to appreciate. Where is it? I'm running out of colors. All right, whatever color I use. Is linked to again this one. It's the same answer. So I'll just read it right here. Do you think diamond dissolve in water? Do you think dissolve in oil? Common sense, common sense. Do you dissolve in oil? Yes. Yes, then how? Your mom cook that time and take off the diamond pendant. You saw before char kway teow, the char kway teow got long queue, the lady boss there, the diamond damn big one. Never see before. They drive them big car one, the Mercedes and the BMW big one. Right? Because the business very good. Nothing wrong. Hard work. Yes, they wake up at 5 a.m., 6, 4 a.m. While you're sleeping and snoring. Yes, they deserve the big pendant. They deserve the big BMW because they work very hard. Yeah, but they are very big. Char kway teow got oil not? Obviously, right. Need to memorize, man. Memorize for what? It's common sense. You go home or go out or you stay at home forever. No, right? You go out and see your world, right? You go to school, right? Insoluble in all solvents. Meaning water as well as organic solvents. So why? The answer is here. It's the same reason. Because the covalent bonds are very, very strong and there's a lot of them. And therefore, need a lot of energy to break it, whatever. All right? And it's not easy to break it, whatever, for them to swim. Make sense? For the thing inside there to swim, which is the atoms. If you'd like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you'd like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.